Working on a panorama, we're going to be looking at the skyline, and we're going to be creating the skyline with a bunch of different files. So it's 4 files. And here we are in Photoshop. And we're going to go to File, Automate, Photo Merge, and then you're going to locate our files that we just looked at in Bridge. You go Browse, and we're in Lesson 5, and we're going to go to Files from Panorama, and you're going to select them all and press Open. Now there's a couple of settings that we need to do. First is Perspective, and then down at the bottom we're going to click Vignette Removal, Geometric Distortion Correction, and Content Aware Fill. And then I press OK. Before I press OK, you can try, if you're unhappy with the way the file looks, when you start to photo merge them together, you can use spherical or collage or reposition. But this is fine, perspective is fine, and I'm going to press OK. Give it a little while, because it's really basically merging everything together. And you can see here we have a variety, we have all of the images merged together. And I'm going to press Command D to deselect, or go to Select, Deselect. Either way. Now I'm going to pull up my adjustments here, and you can see I'm going to unclick them. Here is our skyline all together, but what it's done is created these masks of the pieces of the image together. Then these are just the pieces. On the very top, it's where the computer has come up to fill in the gaps, which is, kind of important. So the next step is that we need to adjust the levels, and I click on the levels in the adjustment panel. They're recommending that we choose the white eyedropper to adjust the whites, and to click onto the cloud. And you can see, like, now it's really brightened it up. Let me turn it off and then back on again. Now I have the white eyedropper. If I click somewhere else it's not white, look how it happens. It just kind of blows everything out. If I click onto this the water, and you can go once again reset. Let's click onto the black eyedropper, and on the white section it turns everything black. So Command Z to undo it. Let's go ahead and click on a black area like these rocks. So let's just go back to the white eyedropper and click onto the clouds. Then we need to flatten our image, so I can go under Layers, under the 4 horizontal bars, scroll all the way down to Flatten Image. And we need to go ahead and save this. So File, Save As. We're going to go on your computer, and you want to find your Turn-In folder for that lesson. And this is a panorama, so you're going to type in 05_panorama underscore your last name underscore your first name, and the format we want Photoshop, and I'm going to press Save. So now we have a flattened panorama.